Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your AWeber account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove a subscriber contact in your AWeber account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete or remove a contact in your AWeber account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business sending out email marketing, you know that sometimes your subscribers write back with a nasty message, so maybe it's better to go ahead and delete them from your list. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your AWeber dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my AWeber, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you need to delete or remove an email subscriber, here on this left menu, you're going to click on subscribers. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the subscribers you have in your email list with AWeber. You can see I just have this one. And in order to go ahead and delete this contact, all you're going to do is check the little box next to their name. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this blue actions button. Go ahead and click on there. Once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you can go ahead and delete that subscriber right here. Now you can go ahead and keep their information and unsubscribe them from your list. That way they don't receive email communication. If you think you might email them again in the future, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and delete this contact in AWeber by clicking here. Okay, next AWeber asks me, are you sure you want to delete this email subscriber? If so, click on the red delete button. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that email subscriber has been deleted from my AWeber, so they will no longer receive automated emails from my AWeber account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove an email contact in your AWeber account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.